How to set up TikTok Shop commissions for the TikTok Shop affiliates. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, you will first have to check whether you are a seller or the creator, and accordingly you will have to set up your TikTok Shop affiliates. And as for the sellers, you would first have to log into your TikTok Shop seller center, which is this. Just log into your account, and after that you will have to click on this option of affiliate, and after that select the option of get started, and you would be able to find it on the left hand menu. And in the third step, you would need to set up collaborations in order to reach more buyers, and this way you would be able to earn the affiliate, and commissions are paid automatically when the sale is made. So you won't have to set it up, but you just have to make sure that you have just made the sale, and the commissions will be paid to you automatically. Now this is how it will work out for the sellers. Now if you are a creator, then the rules are different, and for that you will first have to get the permission to sell the products. After that you need to add your contact information, then add the products to your showcase. After that you need to get the samples, and this way you would be able to make the sale of the product. And in order to get started, just simply click on this option of get started, and the link is business.tiktokshop.com and /us/affiliate and this is where it will take you. And after that you can simply get started either for the sellers or the creators, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.